Good morning, class. Again, this is your teacher, Krisa. So for today's lesson, we will be talking about the tools, equipment, and paraphernalia of front office. And for today's objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to identify front office services, tools, equipment, and paraphernalia applicable to a specific job, use front office services, tools, equipment, and paraphernalia, and conduct self-evaluation and the required tasks. So for our lesson proper, tools used in front office services. So let's start with number 1, reception desk. A place used to welcome the guests in hotel. They can do transactions here like checking in. So this is the place where guest visitors are being welcomed and telephone calls are being answered. So the reception desk is also the place to help the guests with any questions or problem. And now, the equipment needed in front office services. So first, we have here the printer. So it is a machine used to print certain documents in front office like guest details and hotel reports. So printer, the computer printer may need to be turned on and will not be checked to ensure operational readiness. So the standard operating procedure may require a check to see if the printer needs to be restocked with paper, so if the print is legible. So where the print is not legible, a new toner cartridge must be inserted. The next, we have here the cash register. So cash register is an electronic device that is used for registering and computing transactions, which is usually attached to a drawer for storing cash. So it is all familiar to us. So to use a cash register, set up your cash register and plug it in. Then, install the batteries, install the receipt paper, unlock the drawer, and turn the cash register on. Program your cash register. Next, we have here the card verifier. So electronic equipment used to validate and process card payments. So it is a credit card verifier, or some called it credit card validator. It is automated front office equipment used by front office cashier to check the validity of a credit card. The next with the card verifier is the credit card imprinter. Credit card imprinter mostly used by the hotel cashier at the time of arrival when guest presents the credit card to the cashier as the mode of payment of the hotel bills. So next, we have here the key rack. So a variety of number compartments used to store visitor room keys. So this is where the room numbers are being arranged properly with the corresponding room keys for easier usage. So next, we have here the guest folio rack. So it is an equipment that stores guest folios which are arranged by guest room number. Just after the guest entry, the front desk clerk creates a guest folio with the inclusion of guest name, room number, date of arrival, date of departure, the room rate, guest address, and the bills of the guest. So instructions also to the cashier. So next, we have here the fax machine. It is an equipment that is used to accept instant bookings even when there is no clerk available at the reservation. So fax machine, it is important electronic equipment in front desk. So for purposes of communication and used to receive or send official documents. The next, we have here the telephone. It is an equipment used to place and accept bookings through voice call. So takes and distributes messages, guest provides information or guest service, and answer inquiries about public hotel events. We also have here the filing cabinet. It is an office furniture typically used to store paper records and documents envelopes. So it is to organize a filing cabinet, create a filing system, and make a list of files, prepare the file folders, and into the filing success. So next, we have the safety deposit box. So it is used to store valuables and is being sealed for the ultimate safety and protection of items of the guest. So it is placed in every rooms of the hotel. Now we have here the room rack. It is used to display all the rooms Room order with the status, room type, and condition of the room. It is where we place the room records. Next is the wake up devices. It is a gadget used to make a reminder or alert call to the guest. It is also placed in every rooms in the hotel. We also have here the call accounting system. It is a machine used to capture, record, and cost telephone usage events. Then, the office paraphernalia. So, in the office paraphernalia, we have here the key card. It is very familiar to us. It is used to open the hotel rooms. It is a little plastic card which you can use rather than a key to open a door. So that's all. Thank you, class, for listening. Thank you.